Do you want to learn A, how to add highlights on Instagram, and B, how to add highlights on Instagram without creating a story or without adding them to a story, without having a story? Why would you want to do that? Well, maybe you did too many stories today, or you gotta add too many slides into the highlights because you have a paid product, maybe you created the funnel, maybe you have testimonials and you just don't want to spam your feed. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching. And also, while you're at it, grab a copy of my free 0 to 10k followers on Instagram guide in the description down below. And make sure you give this video a like because it really helps me out. Okay, so here's my Instagram right here, and what you should do is click the 3 dashes here, go on settings, go on privacy, and then go on story, right? And what you should be doing right here is click on the first tab here, hide story from. Get it? Click here, and then what you gotta do is just select all of your followers, and if you have a lot it might take a while, and after you do that you just click done. I'm not gonna do, you know, all the 13,000 followers I have right now, and to be honest you might have 13k as well if you just downloaded the guide in the description. It's free. And what you do afterwards is you just go on Instagram, start a story, do this and say something like, buy my spaghetti, it's really cheap and you can only get it today. If you buy 2 you get 1, and then you just add it to your story, and now you wait for it to be uploaded, and then click on highlights and add it to one of the highlights, and it will work. If you can add it to your highlights, now what you can do is wait 24 hours and then it will appear here in your archive. So you can just go on archive and just click on the stories, for example, I don't know, this one, and then just click on highlights and you can add it. And then after all of that is over, because you don't want people to not see your stories, don't forget to actually go on settings, click on privacy again, go on story again, and remove, you know, untick all those people because you don't really want your stories hidden. And then we're ready. This is how you add a story. You just click on the highlights cover, and if you want to add a story without other people seeing it, the only way to do that is actually hiding it from them. Let me tell you something, because you stayed until the end. First, you gotta subscribe to the channel, and there's a few reasons why you want to do that. I can shout you out in one of my next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username down below and you'll be shouted out in one of the videos. Just say your Instagram username and what your Instagram account is about, so people, when they see the shout out, they have an incentive to check your account out. Also, you must be subscribed, because if you're not subscribed with the bell notifications on, you won't really see when I upload that video. So who is the shout out winner on this episode? It's actually Jose Mendoza, and actually shouted him out on Instagram, on my Instagram stories as well. And he said my Instagram name is Jose Mendes, and he commented on the fix Instagram ad post to your story missing. Well, now it's found and it's working, a fix. So yeah, remember that video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video you should definitely check one of these videos out. It's a no-brainer not to do it now. Bye.